5 minutes guided mindfulness meditation or inner peace. Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation for inner peace. Today we'll embark on a journey to cultivate a sense of calm, presence, and tranquility within ourselves. Find a comfortable seated or lying position and let's begin. As we begin, close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension or stress as you exhale. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing each breath to bring a sense of relaxation to your body. Now, bring your awareness to your body, starting from the top of your head. Slowly scan down through your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort and gently release that tension with each exhale. Feel the soothing wave of relaxation as you move through your body, bringing attention to your neck, shoulders, arms, chest, and so on. Shift your focus to the present moment. Be fully present with your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the present moment. This is your time for inner peace. As we near the end of our meditation, take a moment to reflect on something you are grateful for. It could be a person, place, or even a simple experience. Allow gratitude to fill your heart and radiate positive energy. Take a deep breath in, exhale, and release any remaining tension. As we conclude this guided mindfulness meditation, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate this time you have dedicated to your well-being. Carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation practice.